how to tie the karate belt. Now, I've made several of these already. Some fast, some slow, some very descriptive. Bob starred in the last one we did and was showing you how to tie the belt. I decided to use this red and blue belt for contrast so you can see on how to apply the karate belt. There's more than one way to tie the karate belt, and there's many different knots that you can come up with. However, there's only really one way we want you to learn to finish the belt out to where it looks a particular way. The knot has to face usually down at an angle, the opening, or the opposite direction. Starting out, you want to make sure you understand that in 1998, 99, when we were teaching kids how to tie their belt, many kids, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, could tie their belt by themselves in 30 seconds or less. On your mark, get set, go.
Done.
Make sure both ends the same length, and it looks like one belt. Looks like you all made it. Congratulations, you did it in less than 20 seconds. All of you did. Good job.
Easy.
Well, that's what you said. However, new people think it's hard,
Really?
but you think it's easy, right?
I've been here for
Why is it easy for
We've
you?
been because we're higher belt than the league. We've been here for longer than I tie my belt every day.
There you go. All your answers are correct. They can tie their belt. So instead of the parent always helping the kid, we need to make sure everyone understands on how to tie the belt. Now, starting off, let's make it very simple. What you do, you take the belt and you make sure both ends are the same length, like this. Then, you take the belt and you put it on the waist. That middle part goes onto the waist. When you go around the back, you have to cross them over. This one I've already laid on top. However, this one, I'm tucking it underneath like this. So now you have 3 belts. The one on top, the one in the middle, and one hanging down like this. All you do from here is you take that one you put on top and you go underneath those belts and you pull tight sideways. The next thing you do is you'll notice that this part of the belt comes out the top, but this one comes out the bottom. All you have to do is you put them on top of each other, with the top one staying on top. You go underneath. Now you have to go sideways, and you'll see that that knot, that opening, is facing down. So when you put the belt on from behind, you have to put one on bottom and one on top. So if the child is facing away from you, or if you're doing it yourself, you put the right side on the bottom. When you put this left side on top, you just go all the way around like this. But this one right here is the one where most people have trouble with. What you have to do is you just let it hang down like it is, and you just keep going around to where you get to the front. And you see how you have that one, the top one, this one hangs down still. So you go underneath both belts, pull tight, then put the top one on top of the bottom one, take that top one, go underneath it through, and pull tight. And when you do it, when you tighten it, we tell children to go close with your hands, grab the tips though, and go apart. Close, apart, close, apart. That way it stays tight. When it's a new belt, it will look like that. Another way to tie this is you hold on to about 8, 10, 12 inches. And you have the student or the child, whomever, they're gonna take it and they're gonna wrap it around. 1, 2, then you go underneath all the belts. Pull tight, take the top one, on top of the bottom one, underneath and through, and pull tight. That is how you tie the karate belt.